Hey, if you want to cast a YouTube application to your TV from a Samsung S24 FE, then first of all, you have to be sure that you are connected to the same Wi-Fi network on your Samsung and on your TV. And when you are connected, then all you have to do is just to click right here on this icon. Now your Samsung S24 FE is searching for available TV. And when the TV pops up, you will have to just click on it and then grab your remote controller and accept this connection. But if it is not working, then you will have to take this option to link with a TV code. And right now you get instruction that you will have to actually go to your TV, open YouTube application, then go to the settings, scroll down until you find link with TV code, and then a blue TV code will appear on your TV and you will have to input this code right here. And once the code will be correct, you can click done and tap on the link button. Thanks for watching.